Look at that beauty of the jellyfish there. A Starlink mission from SpaceX Vandenberg. Not the most expressive jellyfish from a Starlink mission, but we have the second stage continuing on orbit, then the first stage coming back to land here. What a beauty and gift in Los Angeles to experience this as it goes off here. But with that, GTP FSC here. Keep going and stay heartful. Ad Astra.